thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, South Central and Monroe County in Central Maryland, Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Northwestern Charles County in Southern Maryland, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, the southeastern city of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 8:15 p.m.
How many severe thunderstorms?
At 7:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Arlington to near Burke to 10 miles east of Milton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Of
This
Columbia's
could
in
hit those
here.
outdoors,
DC
as well as
is.
damage homes and vehicles.
You can see right here.
Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Mount Holly
Unsecured light objects may
continues
become
severe
projectiles.
thunderstorm warning for
Locations impacted
Cecil.
include Arlington, Alexandria,
Then Baltimore.
Dale
Oh,
City,
here we go.
Bowie,
Possible
Annandale,
doubleheader.
Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort
They just
Washington,
issued a marine
Greenville,
warning.
Fort Hunt, Groveton, Forestville, Huntington, Largo, Coral Hills,
probably
Bladensburg,
not gonna
Fort
tell.
Belvoir, and Woodbridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the National Weather Service.
Yeah, I
marine
knew they
forecast
weren't
for the northern
gonna tell
Chesapeake
it.
Bay and adjoining estuaries north of
Well,
North Sea.
yay!
Tonight, west winds
Yes, we
20
are
to
again.
25